Today I chose to take a long 2.5-hour journey down to Homer, Alaska. Along my way, I must have counted at least 14 moose. I arrived at the dock to meet my captain and the rest of my crew. We had a 3-hour boat ride to get to our spot. Well, within an hour we ran into a nasty storm. The winds were howling and the rain was torrential. Waves were at least 20-foot swells, but we kept on going. Then, when we thought the worst was over, we got attacked by pirates who called themselves the Bony Boys. I said, now wait a minute here, pal. I'm the only bony boy in these waters. They didn't like that and drew out their swords, so I gave them the old shiver me timbers move and let out an R. No. None of that actually happened. Today went a little more like this. It was so calm it looked like glass. We saw lots of wildlife, from cute little puffins, mountain goats off in the distance, otters, whales, and orcas. We caught a lot of fish that day, and I believe everyone had a limit of numerous species such as rockfish and what I was mainly targeting, the halibut. Whatever.
Yank it up.
Here we go.
There you go. Nice one.
Aw. I missed him again. Ooh, what was that?
Salmon, you really gotta let them have it for a minute. You don't want to just reel on it. Just let them take it down. We get some scent in the water, and we're gonna sit here and hopefully pick out some nice fish. Not yet.
If you want Tammy up, tell me, I'll get her up.
Yep.
I just asked him if he
Did he not want it?
Oh, big old yellow eye.
Come on. He's definitely on there.
Real.
Oh, yep, I feel him. Yep.
Try to got him on.
I can feel something. It's definitely heavy. Come on. Oh.
He's got something.
I got something. I got a halibut.
Okay, so reeling. Alright, we got him on the stinger.
Cool.
You want to keep that one or?
Yeah, I'll keep that one. Woo!
That's good fish. That's delicious.
I'll take that.
Yeah, that's the stinger.
You spit up some squid.
Cool, put that back down. You still there?